to my channel. Here we want to solve this question 30, and it has to do with link mechanism, and we're on page 42 of engineering drawing 1. Let's read the instruction for us to know what we are to do. Question 30. It says that the crank OA in the figure rotates clockwise at constant speed, and during one revolution, E moves from C to D and back to C at constant speed. If the initial position of the mechanism is as shown in the figure, draw the locus of B during one revolution of OA. OA is 25 millimeters, and AB and BC are 75 millimeters. So that is what we have there. Now looking at this diagram that we have here, so this is OA, distance from here to here is OA. So we have this circle, the radius is 25 as we are told in the question, and the movement is clockwise as we have here. So distance from here to here, from this center line to this line here, where we have point C here, we have point D here, we have point C here. Okay, so it's 13 millimeters, and this is E that is moving on this line CD. So this is point B, and distance from this point to this point is 62 millimeters. From here to here is 50 millimeters. So we are going to put all these dimensions together to obtain the locus of point B as we are instructed. Now the first thing that we need to do now is that we are going to draw a center line, so a short center line here, short horizontal center line like this. Okay, then we draw a vertical center line. We draw a vertical center line. Okay, so now having drawn this vertical center line, so we take a measurement of 25 millimeters to draw the circle. So 25 millimeters, this is 25 millimeters here. So we put it at this point and we draw a circle. Okay, so then we are going to divide the circle into 8 equal parts. Divide the circle into 8 equal parts. So this is alright, so this is center O of the circle, and this is point A, which is also the first point 0. Then it is going this direction. We have point 1, here we have 2, this is 3. So this is point 4, this is point 5, this is point 6, and then this is point 7. Alright, so now the next thing that we are going to do here is that we need to take a measurement of 13 millimeters down this center. So 13 millimeters down the center. So this is 13 millimeters. So here we draw horizontal line. So like this. So center line. Alright, so we have this. So the next thing that we're going to do is that, so from here, so we need to locate point D and point C. So point D is 62 millimeters away from the center. So this is 62 millimeters here. And distance between point C and D is 50 millimeters. So this is point C here. So here we have, this is point D and this is point C here. Okay, so now the next that we're going to do is that we need to divide this distance CD. So we divide to a number of equal parts. So I'm going to divide to 8 equal parts, as divided the circle into 8 equal parts. So we draw a line like this. So I'm going to pause the video while I divide the line, which I believe you know how to do. Welcome back. I've divided the distance CD into 8 equal parts, as you can see, and I've numbered from 0 to back to 0 here. So alright, so now as we are told that point E is moving, it moves from C to D and then it comes back to E. So that's what we are told in the question. So this is where we have E. So this line is actually, so this is E. So as we have in the question. Now we want to locate point B as we have in the question. We are told that we are told in the question that AB and CB, AB and CB, as we have in the question. So AB and BC is 75 millimeters. Just take a measurement of 75 millimeters here. So this is 75 millimeters here. So we put it at this point. So then we make an arc around here like this. So the same 75. So we put at this point 0 here, which is starting point, and we make an arc here. So this is the first point B. So this is the first point B. So we join these together. So we join this together. So this is actually a line on which we have E, so not this one. So then we join this together. So this is the first point B here that we are asked to obtain. So next one, so the same 75, we put it at point 1 here and make an arc around here. Okay, then we put at point 1 here on this line and make an arc here. So this is the second point B. So I'll just dot it, I'm not going to label it. Okay, so next, so we put at point 2 here and we make an arc like this. So then we put the pinpoint at point 2 and we make an arc on this new arc here. So this is the new point B. Then put at 3. So we draw an arc. So like this. So then we put it at point 3 here. That's same 75. So make an arc here. So this is the new point B. Okay, so then put at 4. So make an arc around here. So at 4 on the circle, then we put it at 4 on the line. So make an arc here. So this is the new point B. So we have the new point B here. So the same 75 we put at 5. And we make an arc here. Okay, so then we put at 5 on this line and make an arc here. So this is the new point B. Okay, so this is the first one, the second one, third one, and the fourth one. Okay, so the same 75 at 6. So we have obtained 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at 6, so we draw an arc here like this. Then we put at 6 here on this line, and here we make an arc. So this is the new point 6. Sorry, the new point B. Then here we put it at 7. So we make an arc here like this. Okay, then we put it at 7 here on the line, and here we make an arc. So this is the new point B. Okay, so the next is, so you put it here at 0. Okay, so we have done that of 0 before, so we have the point 2. Then, so the next thing that we are going to do here is to join the point together with the use of a French curve. So you follow it the way it goes. Okay, so around here we have this point, and we connect this together with this. this is the locus of the point B. As we're asked to plot, it's as simple as I've done it here. All you need to do is to practice. Thank you and God bless you.